I am Betty Thompson, and I have been in the city of Kent since 1971, and in this house since 1972. It's my home, and it has been, and I just don't want to, I want to stay here until I don't live anymore.
Barbara Dolly, I've lived in Kent about 60 years, but here 43.
I'm Marion Wirtz.
And my name is John, and I have lived here for about 39 years.
And I've lived here 50 years.
This is our home until we expire.
My name's Lee. I've been here for 23 years. And I had a bathroom floor that was rotten out. And one guy came and he looked at it. And he promised me he'd be back the following week to fix it. Well, he never showed up.
When you call somebody else to come out here, you got a 3-4 days, week. It's like you never get it done. And when you got a faucet running, you can't leave that going forever.
Being disabled, you're on more or less of a fixed income. When the cost of living goes up and up and up, you get in a bind.
They don't live next door.
No.
And they're more than willing to help, but sometimes the help may be out of state.
My brother-in-law replaced that light, the fan fixture here in the ceiling. He did that, and something went wrong with it, and it stayed busted like that for 10 years.
I had a bathroom fixed by a certain company, and it ended up to be $2,000. That isn't fixed yet.
And then I found this program in Kent. There's low-income people, and so I gave them a call, filled out the paperwork, and I got accepted, and I had my floor fixed as soon as the paperwork was approved.
I didn't know this program existed, but since I found it, oh, wonderful.
One of our neighbors suggested we call them when we had a problem, and it was a porch light problem, and we called the city, and Daryl came up, took a look at it, and then they proceeded to fix it.
Without that program, I don't think I would have been able to put up with too many handymen. I'd still be, looking for help if it hadn't been for this program.
If I don't have the money to fix it, that's terrible. So now what I'm going to have to do, maybe have to move out of my home.
My name's Daryl Hammock. I've worked for the city for 16 years. Our main goal is to keep people safe in their homes and provide minor home repair. We're not trying to, do a remodel. We're just trying to fix what they need repaired.
Daryl's fixed my faucet.
We had a bathroom safety rails installed.
They fixed that door over there.
They fixed my gutters that had stuff in them, and they fixed my roof when it was leaking.
My name's Brittany Levins, and I have been with the City of Kent for just about 2 years. My main job is working with the home repair program, qualifying clients who are seeking assistance with home repairs. There's a lot of paperwork involved, and a lot of hoops to jump through on both ends for the client and for myself. But being able to see, what we can do for people and give them something that's tangible that they can, have and that actually helps them remain safe and independent in their home. That's all worth it to me.
I always worry about somebody falling down that one step, and you don't think about one step.
The little things that really wear on their mind, a dripping faucet, to them, that's something that their mental health, and it just eats at them, and that's all they think about.
It keeps me awake, and I don't sleep well if something's not working, and I just have to get it fixed. And so that's when they get it fixed and I sleep good.
And we can go in and take care of those little items, and I've seen clients just it changes their whole world, because now they're not worried or concerned about whether they need to, not pay this bill or pay that bill or buy medication to get things fixed, and worried about hiring a contractor that they know they can't afford. It's an income eligibility program. So you don't have to be a senior. We definitely encourage everyone who thinks they may need this service to apply. If you're interested in the program, you can call us at 253-856-5065. That's the home repair line. Or you can look up our home repair program on the City of Kent website.